Hey, this is Dave. I hope everybody is having a great start to the week. And today I want to show you a bunkhouse fifth wheel. It's a 330BH Impression, Forest River. This unit is going to be about 41 feet long, under 11,000 pounds, dry. It does have two doors and does have awnings over each door. I really like that. A little outdoor kitchen with a griddle, and does have a ladder to get up the back. Very sharp looking RV. So let's go inside. I think it's really cool looking inside. So you get two solid steps going in, both friction hinge doors. Table and 4 chairs. The sofa does make out to a bed. Really nice views or windows. Entertainment center here with a fireplace and television, and I like their color here on. I always like that kind of that wood grain look. Kind of a small microwave, small oven, 12-volt fridge, not average. So let's go up into the. And there's the lights. Let's see how big this is. There's some organizers in there, really cool. So there's your control panel. 2 ACs on this unit. So nice, easy to step in shower. This has a bath and a half in it. So we'll head back there. I like that windshield up front. Really sharp looking bedroom. There's a wardrobe slide, and all the impressions are prepped for stackable washer and dryers. So really nice, comfortable bedroom in here. Coleman Mac AC in here, and in the coach, middle of the coach. I really like this little bunk room. So that can flip out to a full-size bed there. You get storage. You get a bunk. Oh, I guess the other AC's back here. And there's the ladder to get up. And then here's your bathroom. Little half bath. Nice size. And way to get out the door there. Put a television there. So really nice RV. Thanks for watching. My name is Dave, and if you'll hit like and subscribe, I appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.